What is transnationalism? Broadly construed, transnationalism refers to the exchange of people, ideas, technology, and money between nations. The term became popular during the 1990s as a way to explain the migrant diasporas, complicated economic relations, and culturally mixed communities that increasingly characterize the modern world. It is important to note that transnationalism often acts as a vehicle of globalization, that is, the accelerating interdependence of nations linked by instantaneous communications and modern transportation systems. Working together with the ideology of globalization, transnationalism often results in changes to the economic, sociocultural, and political character of all countries involved, thus forcing world leaders to look beyond the interests of their nations when creating policies and procedures. There are three major types of transnationalism, namely, economic transnationalism, sociocultural transnationalism, and political transnationalism. Economic transnationalism refers to the flow of money, people, goods, technology, and human capital across national borders. Both the sending and receiving countries, as well as the businesses involved, hope to benefit from these exchanges. In many cases, migrants involved send much of the money they earn back to their home country, resulting in significant savings for the receiving countries. For example, the Inter-American Development Bank has estimated that immigrants working in the United States send the equivalent of $300 billion annually to their home countries, more than twice the amount of U.S. foreign aid. In some cases, however, this rapid inflow of money can leave the sending country dependent on the financial success of their respective migrant diasporas. Sociocultural, or immigrant transnationalism, refers to the various interactions during which social and cultural ideas and meanings are exchanged across national borders by foreign-born residents regularly. These interactions can range from phone calls to loved ones in the native country to immigrant entrepreneurs continuing to manage a business back home, remittance transfers to relatives, and many more. Activities of political transnationalism can range from immigrants remaining active in the politics of their native country, including voting, to actually running for office. A modern example is the growing number of native-born American citizens who choose to live in Mexico for family, business, or economic reasons.